Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Google Pixel 7 Pro and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom again to find the reset options, and as you can see the option we're looking for is at the very top, so let's tap on it. Here your device will inform you that it will reset all network settings, including the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. What's more, you can erase downloaded SIMs. It's up to you if you want to turn it on or off or not. So let's tap on reset settings, and here we've got the information that you cannot undo this action. So if you're ready, tap on reset settings. Let's wait, and be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it. We had the information that the network settings have been reset successfully, so basically that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your Google Pixel 7 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.